Sell stock photos or videos on stock photography websites. Photographers and videographers can monetize their work in a number of popular and lucrative ways by selling stock images or videos on stock photography websites. These websites enable content producers to upload their photos or films, which users may then buy and use in a range of projects like advertisements, websites, blogs, and more. The majority of stock photography websites provide a wide selection of categories and themes, ranging from business and technology to nature and landscapes, giving content creators the chance to demonstrate their abilities and originality in a variety of fields. Content producers often have to follow certain rules and specifications established by the stock photography website, such as image quality, resolution, and license agreements, in order to sell stock images or videos. After being approved, the content is made available for purchase, with the creator receiving a cut of the proceeds that normally ranges from 20% to 60%. As their work can continue to generate cash long after it has been made, selling stock images or movies on stock photography websites can be a terrific source of passive income for photographers and videographers. In addition, it might give them a chance to work with other industry experts and gain visibility and acknowledgement for their efforts. What are some well-known sources for stock photography? Whereas photographers and videographers can sell their work to potential clients, there are a number of well-known stock photography websites. Here are a few of the more well-liked ones. One of the biggest stock photography marketplaces, Shutterstock, offers millions of photos and videos for sale. Designers can quickly search and buy photos and videos for their projects thanks to Adobe Stock, a stock photography platform that perfectly interacts with Adobe Creative Cloud. A reputable stock photography source with a big library of top-notch photos and movies is Getty Images. iStock, a division of Getty Images, specializes in providing low-cost, royalty-free photos and videos. Alamy is a stock photography website with a huge selection of photos and videos from agencies and photographers all over the world. Dreamstime is a popular stock photography website with an easy-to-use interface and a vast community of contributors. 123RF is a website for stock photography that provides reasonably priced photos and movies for a range of editorial and commercial needs. These are just a few of the well-known websites that offer stock pictures. It's crucial to investigate and select the website that is the best fit for your needs and goals as a content creator, because every website has different features and requirements for contributors. Can you suggest a beginner-friendly website for stock photography? Yes, I can suggest Shutterstock as a user-friendly and beginner-friendly stock photos website. Popular stock image website Shutterstock provides contributors with a straightforward and user-friendly interface. There is a sizable buyer community, which indicates that there is a great demand for high-quality pictures and films. A vast variety of genres and themes are also available on Shutterstock, allowing photographers and videographers of all skill levels to find a market that works for them. One advantage of using Shutterstock as a beginning is that it offers useful tools and resources to aid in skill development and sales growth. For instance, Shutterstock has a contributor academy that offers guides and advice on how to produce and publish premium photos and films. The hefty royalty rate Shutterstock pays contributors, which can range from 15% to 40% based on your sales volume and exclusivity status, is another advantage of using the service. This implies that, even as a beginner, you can make a respectable living from your profession. All things considered, Shutterstock is a fantastic option for newcomers who want to start online stock photo and video sales. What qualifications must one meet in order to contribute to these stock picture websites? Depending on the platform, certain conditions must be met in order to contribute to stock photography websites. There are, nevertheless, a few general rules that apply to the majority of websites. The following are some typical specifications for submitting work to websites that sell stock photography. Image quality, the resolution, focus, and lighting requirements for the photos and videos you submit must be met. The pictures should generally be taken in RAW or high-quality JPEG format, and they shouldn't have any noise, grain, or other blemishes. Copyright ownership, any photos or videos you upload must be your original work. This implies that any pictures or movies you've downloaded or bought from other websites aren't eligible for submission. Model and property permissions. You must get model and property permissions from the appropriate parties before using any identifiable individuals or objects in your photos or films. This will guarantee that there are no legal obstacles to the photographs being utilized commercially. Your photographs or videos must be properly described and keyworded in order for potential customers to find them quickly. This involves utilizing precise and pertinent keywords and outlining the topic matter in a clear and succinct manner. Exclusivity. Some stock photography companies want you to provide unique content, which prevents you from reselling it on other websites. Others let you submit non-exclusive material, allowing you to sell the same thing across other channels. These are just a few of the usual specifications for submitting work to websites that sell stock photos. To make sure you satisfy all needs and can optimize your profits, it's crucial to read and comprehend the precise guidelines and terms of each platform you are interested in contributing to. Are there any other places I might use to sell my photos? Absolutely, there are a variety of other places where you can market your picture. Other choices to think about are as follows. Websites for print on demand. You can sell your photography as canvas prints, art prints, and other tangible goods on these websites. Redbubble, Society6, and Fine Art America are a few examples. Personal website. To promote and market your photographs, you can set up your own website. You now have total control over your marketing, pricing, and branding. Without any coding experience, platforms like Squarespace and Wix make it simple to design a website that looks professional. Marketplaces for photography. These websites let you sell your photos directly to consumers without using an intermediary. SmugMug and 500px are two examples. Social media. You may market and sell your pictures through social media sites like Instagram and Facebook. These platforms can be used to promote your work and point visitors to your website or online store. Mobile apps. You may sell your pictures straight from your smartphone using a number of different mobile apps. Examples include Snapwire, Foap, and IM. The websites listed above are just a handful of the others where you can sell your pictures. It's crucial to do your study and select the platform that will best serve your demands and professional objectives as a photographer because each one has different features and specifications. What are the standard rules and specifications for buying and selling stock images or videos? Here are some typical rules and specifications for buying and selling stock images or videos. Image quality. Your pictures and videos must adhere to a set of requirements for resolution, focus, and lighting. The pictures should generally be taken in RAW or high-quality JPEG format, and they shouldn't have any noise, grain, or other blemishes. Copyright ownership. Any photographs or videos you upload must be your original work. This implies that any pictures or movies you've downloaded or bought from other websites aren't eligible for submission. Model and property permissions. You must get model and property permissions from the appropriate parties before using any identifiable individuals or objects in your images or films. This is done to make sure that there are no legal obstacles to the content being utilized commercially. Your photographs or videos must be properly described and keyworded in order for potential customers to find them quickly. This involves utilizing precise and pertinent keywords and outlining the topic matter in a clear and succinct manner. Exclusivity. Some stock photography companies want you to provide unique content, which prevents you from reselling it on other websites. Others let you submit non-exclusive material, allowing you to sell the same thing across other channels. Choosing a licensing option for your pictures or videos will govern how customers can use them. The two most popular types of licensing are royalty-free and rights-managed. Payment. In order to get paid for your sales, you must give payment information. Platform-specific payment options may include PayPal, wire transfer, or check. These are but a few of the standard rules and specifications for selling stock images or movies. To make sure you satisfy all standards and can optimize your earnings, it's crucial to read and comprehend the precise guidelines and terms of each platform you're interested in selling on. May you suggest any books or websites where I may learn more about buying and selling stock photos and videos? Yes, there are a number of sources accessible if you want to learn more about buying and selling stock images or movies. Here are some alternatives to think about. Websites with stock photography. Numerous stock photography websites include resources and tutorials for contributors, offering advice on how to write and submit high-quality content as well as the best methods for licensing and keywording. Popular stock picture services like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock all have useful resources. Online courses. There are a number of courses that cover the fundamentals of selling stock images or films online. Courses are available on subjects including photography, videography, and creating stock content on websites like Skillshare and Udemy. YouTube tutorials. If you want to learn how to sell stock photographs or films, YouTube is a terrific resource. Check out Peter McKinnon, Mango Street, Chelsea, and Tony Northrup, among other well-liked channels. Photography blogs. Several photography blogs provide suggestions and guidance on marketing stock images or movies. Digital Photography School, Petapixel, and Fstoppers are a few of the well-known photography blogs. Joining photographic groups may be a terrific way to meet other photographers and gain insight into their practices. Photographic and stock content creation groups can be found on websites like Reddit, Facebook, and Flickr. These are only a handful of the sources you may use to find out more about buying and selling stock images or movies. Finding the resources that best suit your requirements and objectives as a content writer requires investigation.